Carries it on in from center. Brings a shot. Scores! That's a quick first strike. Home team up. The crowd is cranked.
Always interesting, guys, after the first goal is scored, whether the team that scored is going to continue to attack or whether they'll sit back a little bit.
Seske Boceviche's gotten the crowd into it early.
And rightfully so. The energy they play with has been terrific.
He's certainly on a mission out there. He's trying to set a tone for his team.
He scores! And we have our first one of the game.
They'll certainly have more energy. They've got the game's first score, and now they can play from in front.
The Snakes strike first.
Just like the coach drew it up, get off to a good start.
One-timer. Score! A short-handed goal. The opening faceoff has gotten us underway here. Great shooting lane. He scores! Patrick Kane!
Sometimes when you score first, you take the edge off your own team. That can't happen. You're up one, go make it two.
The Mavericks get the early lead here at home.
Oh, and the crowd is up for grabs. They are happy.